What is up there, everybody? It's Casper Trader back here with another video today. I'm going to be showing you guys how to get past the PDT rule and get unlimited day trades on your Robinhood account. Most people think that this is actually impossible, but there's actually a simple way to get past it. But just be warned, this change is permanent, so you can't change it back. So before we start, I just want to let you guys know it's a great day today, up 11% trading DGAS, a little bit down trading TQQQ, but awesome gains anyway, 11%, that is fantastic. And if you guys enjoy my videos and like the uploads that I'm making, I really appreciate it if you guys could like the video and subscribe. It really helps me out a lot. Alright guys, so let's get into it. How you're going to get unlimited day trades is you go to this little guy icon, or female icon, whatever, right here in the right corner, and you go scroll down a little bit and you can go to the account summary. Click the account summary, and here you're going to see all facts about your account, like portfolio value, buying power, withdrawable funds, everything like that, and your day trades. This is the important part that we want to see is you want to click on this day trade settings right here, and this is going to show you what day trades you made like in the last day or two or 3 or 4 days, because day trades are for the last 5 days, and then you can make more after that. So you can make 3 currently with Robinhood. You can only make 3 day trades a week if you have the regular account on, the instant account. But we're going to get around that by doing something really simple. You just need to change it in the settings. So what you're going to want to do here is scroll down to the turn off instant settlement button right on the bottom right here. You're going to click on that and click turn off instant settlement. But before you do that, make sure you know what you're doing. And what this is going to be doing, what this is going to do technically, is you're going to change your Robinhood account into a cash account. So what that basically is that you're going to wait 3 to 5 days for your money to settle so you can trade with it again. But because you do that, you get unlimited day trades. So that means you can day trade as much as you want. There's no restrictions on it. You can day trade. You can make 100 day trades in a day if all you want. You know, I don't know if anyone's going to do that, but you can do as much as you want. The only setback is that you have to wait 3 to 5 days for your money to come back so you can trade with it again. So most people think that it's not worth it, but for many day traders, it sure is worth it because you can keep trading in and out like multiple times a day without any restrictions. You just have to make smaller position sizes according to your account value. But once you're over $25,000, you can make as many as you want and you get the money back. I'm pretty sure, no, Robinhood, I'm not sure. But the way to do this, like I said, I'm going to do a really quick recap for you to get unlimited day trades. How you do it, you go to the little person icon in the right corner, click account summary right here. You're going to scroll all the way down to day trades, and you're going to click on day trade settings. It's going to show you your day trades and stuff. If you want to have protection on, that's all right. And you go down to the turn off instant settlement if you want to turn it off. So here you're going to click turn off instant settlement if you want to do it. And you're going to, from now on, you're going to be able to make as many day trades as you want. With the only thing is that you have to wait 3 to 5 days for your money to come back and like settle so you can trade with it again. But this isn't really useful for traders like me because I day trade. I mean, I day trade sometimes, but most of it is swing trading, which means that I'm holding a stock overnight or over a few nights for it to complete its like cycle. I buy it at the support and sell at the resistance. It's super simple. Check out my videos if you're interested. And using swing trading, you can really make large profits, like maybe not penny stock profits, but those are also really risky. But you can also make really high profits, like 10-15% a week, which is great, and you don't even need a day trade for that type of profit. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed the video, I really appreciate it if you could guys like the video and subscribe. It really helps me out a lot, and I wish you guys a happy trading day tomorrow and forever on, and have a great day.